Go faster. And I said, I can't go faster, sweetheart. He's like, faster, faster.
Andre, you're not sitting in the middle. You're sitting on your right too much.
Yeah.
You're sitting on the right side of the boat. That's good. Now you look centered. Good luck, Andre.
We're recording you.
Are you telling everybody we're recording them? You little goofy girl. Oh, you hear a frog?
There goes your front, Petey.
Meow.
You'll see, when you go, Petey, it's very choppy.
We're recording
It's
you
not like
on
waves,
a video.
We're filming.
What? Papa, we're filming you.
Annie.
God.
Yeah, perfect landing. Ready?
I'm gonna watch you crash into the bushes.
You, Papa.
Perfect landing.
We're the coming back of Papa time. Papa time.
Only because he knew to prepare himself after.
Because Annie told him he was on video.